Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on Bluetooth on both devices. This makes discovery possible. On your phone, enable mobile data and Bluetooth tethering so the PC can use your carrier link. On Windows, open Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and other devices, and set it visible. This step tells the radios to look for each other. Pairing now prevents configuration later. Make sure both devices are within a few meters. Bluetooth range matters, and remove any existing conflicting paired devices to avoid connection confusion. Once devices are discoverable, add the phone on Windows via Add Bluetooth or other device. You'll see a PIN or code. Confirm it on both sides because this secures the link. After pairing, open Control Panel Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings to find the new Bluetooth network connection. This is how Windows accesses your phone's interface. On your phone, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering, and enable Bluetooth tethering. This publishes the internet route the PC will use, so activate it now. You finish by connecting the PC to the phone's access point. In Network Connections, right-click the Bluetooth network connection and choose Connect using Access Point so Windows uses the phone's internet. Once connected, test a web page. If it fails, run ipconfig/release and /renew to refresh DHCP. Make sure phone data is not capped or blocked by carrier settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing seems fine but no internet, unpair and repair both devices and reboot Bluetooth services. This clears stale profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.